For my winter decor, I have this adorable pug cookie jar that I got at World Market a few years ago. He's wearing a red scarf. I'm just painting the scarf gray so he matches my winter decor because I don't use red in my winter decor at all. And I'll show you what he looks like afterwards. It's going to be so cute. And I'm also going to do the same thing to this snowman soap dispenser. The red looks too Christmassy, so I'm going to paint the scarf and the little berries on the hat this dark granite gray so I can use him on the sink for winter. And here's the snowman. Now he looks more wintry. I think both of these turned out really pretty. I got this adorable pine cone nutcracker at the at-home store. It was originally $19.99 and I got it half off after Christmas, so he was only $10. And look at his pine cone hat. I mean, how cute is that? And he's wearing a little fur vest and holding pine cones and a sled. So I thought he would be perfect for my winter decor, and I'm going to put him on my fireplace. I got these beautiful beads with a snowflake at Hobby Lobby after Christmas. They were originally $9.99, and I got them for 90% off. And of course, that's going to be perfect for my winter decor as well. I thought this was super pretty. I picked up this row of wooden houses from Hobby Lobby. It was in the Christmas decor, so it was 90% off. It was originally $30. But I think this looks perfect for winter because it's just white houses with wooden tops and it's very neutral. And guys, I wanted to share with you some of my winter decor. I will be doing a winter home tour before the end of January. February 1st, I'll start decorating for Valentine's Day. But this is my all-year pencil tree that I leave out in the living room. And I've just left out my white ornaments with the black trees from Hobby Lobby. And I got these beautiful snowflake ornaments from Pop Shelf after Christmas. So they were only 50 cents each. They were half off. If you decorate for winter, the best time to buy the winter decor is after Christmas when it's on sale. And I think that turned out really pretty. And also here on the entertainment center, I left out the little deer on the top shelf, and then I just left out some winter greenery on the bottom shelves. And up here I left out my garland with the white berries and pine cones. So that still looks wintry without looking Christmassy. This is my new coffee bar shelf. I absolutely love it. I got this on Overstock, and I put my adorable snowman mugs in it that I got at the Dollar Tree. And look how cute those look in there. And then I have my coffee bar sign and my coffee and sugar canisters on top, and some winter greenery and pine cones. And I think that just fits in this space perfect. And then I have my Joanna Parker snowman mug on the Keurig, but I'd really like to get another winter mug for right there because I'm trying not to do red for winter. So I'm still looking for a different winter mug for the Keurig. And then I just have a cute gnome over here from Hobby Lobby to go with the black and white theme. I still have a little pine tree over here for winter. And there's my adorable pug cookie jar that I painted the scarf on from World Market. And this is my winter 2-tier tray. I have some more winter greenery and pine cones. And I just love this little deer hat for my marshmallow mug that I ordered on Etsy. How adorable is that? So I think this area turned out super cute. And on that little shelf above this window over here, I still have my green glittery pine trees and a black deer for winter. Then over here on the countertop next to the stove, I have my little winter squirrel cookie jar. He's wearing a little winter hat and a little sweater. How cute is he? And I got him on Mercari. Here on the kitchen sink, I have the cute little snowman soap dispenser that I painted the scarf on it, gray. And above the sink, I have this winter wreath. It's frosted with white berries. For my winter hutch, I still have my pine cone candles on the top. Then I have some winter pine stems in the vase on the top. I have my plaid trees here on the top shelf. I've got my little winter birds here on the second shelf. And then on the bottom shelf, I have plaid gnomes, and I have some more winter greenery and pine cones. So my tip for you to decorate for winter is to take out all the red decor, and you can use deer, pine cones, winter stems, snowflakes, snowmen, icicles, winter garlands, ice skates, and things like that. And you can turn your home from Christmas into a beautiful winter wonderland. And these are my winter throw pillows that I put on the couch. I got these at Pop Shelf last year after Christmas. So I got them for about $2.50 each. And they're just white with black trees on them. And that goes perfect with my black and white and gray winter theme. And here in our entryway, I have left some winter garland on the entryway table with pine cones and lights. And I have this winter banner that I got on Amazon. Around the door, I have this beautiful winter wreath that I got at TJ Maxx after Christmas a couple of years ago, and it was super cheap. I don't remember how much it was, but it was probably $5. And then I just left some green garland around the door. Here on our stove, I have a candle with a winter candle ring around it that has winter looking greenery and pine cones. And on the front of the stove, I have my winter snowmen dish towels that I got on Amazon. And here is our fireplace. I've got this snowy tree on one side. I have snowflakes on this side. And I'm going to put this adorable pine cone nutcracker next to the tree. And look how pretty that looks. And then I have my beautiful beaded garland. And I have some white lights. And I think that looks very pretty and wintry. And on our sofa table here, I have a little gray deer in front of a picture of me and my husband. And I have this plaid tree. And in this basket down here, I have some pine cones and a little gray gnome. Friends, stay tuned for my winter home tour coming up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.